Hey guys, this one for the creators. YouTube Studio is now on your command center. Open your YouTube app. Now go to your content and pick any video you want. And now just click on edit. And here you will see all the options that is needed for your YouTube video to publish. For first you will see the picture, that is thumbnail. And now here just down there you will see a title option, and then add description and the visibility, that means the people who might able to see your video or not, and the audience, which audience does it make for, is it for kids or is it for adults, and location, add to playlist, invite a collaborator, and etc etc. And down here you will see an option called more options. Just click on here, and now you will see the most important option here, that is called add tags. Now just tap here, and now just add whatever tags you want to add, like BGMI. Here it's done, and now you have added your tag. Now just go back and now save, and all done. You can even track analytics to see what performing well, and trust me, once you learn Studio properly, you will feel like a pro creator. And that's it for today, and I will see you in the next one.